Hi guys, I think I found the best lighting. So this is my first vlog, and I think I'm gonna just make some short videos every day during this week, and then at the end of the week I'll add this video on my channel. So basically my channel is gonna be about fitness, health, lifestyle, makeup, everything girly. At the moment I'm working on my
transformation program.
So at the moment I'm working on my body transformation. So yeah, so I just did my makeup and I'm trying to make a video on my Russian channel about the story of my weight loss, because I lost, during all my life I lost 20 kilos three times, and every time it was a different way to lose weight. And yeah, I'm trying to tell all these stories and what was healthy, what was not that healthy, what was good for my body, what was not. I hope I will like the video, because most of the time I'm uploading videos and then deleted it because I don't really like it. So I'm gonna try my best to not delete my videos after I'm uploading them, and I hope you're gonna like it. If you like it, please subscribe my channel, please press like, comment down below, and I'm gonna try to upload videos every single week for you. See you later when I'm gonna do something. Guys, I just came back from my gym and I'm super tired, as you can see on my face. By the way, don't be scared, I don't have any makeup on, and I don't think that I'm going to wear makeup every time I'm vlogging, so you need to get used to it. So I just ate my breakfast. It was just scrambled eggs with some mushrooms, tomatoes, and low-fat cheese. This is my favorite post-workout meal because it has a lot of protein. It's low in carbs, in fat, and it's really delicious. The bad thing that I did, it was that I ate 2 of these Atkins bars. Each of them has 130 calories. The macros are not that bad, but 2 of these, it was too much, and I have my good reason why I did this, which I'm not gonna talk about. And right now I'm just chilling on my bed with my cat. This is my cat. Dean, say hi to people. Say hi. He's always ignoring the camera. I don't know why he hates camera. So right now I'm super excited because I've got my delivery, and you know how much I love my deliveries. Especially when it's food delivery. I'll show you what I've got, and it's gonna be sneak peek of my next video. I'm going to upload videos on my English channel every Sunday and every Saturday on my Russian channel. So next video is going to be the recipe of the best, most delicious fitness Easter cake you have ever tried. You need to do this, and I promise you, you're gonna love it so much. And also I'm gonna do a little short videos about Russian Easter celebration. It's a really popular holiday in Russia. The whole week before Easter, like, people are preparing so hard, and I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it and show you how people celebrate it in Russia. So here is the packages that I've got, and let's see what's in here. So 2 boxes of eggs. Then we've got almond flour. Yeah, flour. I'm gonna put it on here. We've got some of my favorite oatmeal. Okay, we have my favorite tuna. Two of this tuna. Then we've got some decorations for eggs. We've got some coconut flakes. 1, 2, 3. Also for decorations. Why they are pink? Okay, I'm gonna read the ingredient and see what is in here. Hopefully there is no sugar. No sugar. It's just coconut flakes. Love it. Then we've got some almonds. We also need it for our cake. Some vanilla. This dried pineapples. We're gonna add it in our cake as well. Some more beautiful decorations. And more. Baking powder. I forgot the name in English, but I think you know what it is, right? We're also gonna add it into our cake. That's it for this package. And the last one is my obsession. Honestly, I'm obsessed with almond milk. And this is unsweetened one. I add my almond milk everywhere. I love it so much. So that's pretty much it, you guys. See you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. I just woke up. Yesterday I was so tired. I don't know why, and I sleep too much today. It's almost 12 o'clock now, and I have to do a lot of things today. So I need to go to petrol station because my car needs gas. I need to go to pick up my order. I ordered a box of coconut water. You know how much I love coconut. Everything coconutty is heaven. Like coconut water, coconut milk, coconut oil, coconut flour, everything coconutty. I love it. Then I have to go to another place to pick up my iHerb haul. If you want to see my iHerb haul video, press like. I'm not gonna tell you what I ordered, but I ordered 2 huge boxes. Then I want to go to the gym to have some quick workout session, and then I'm coming back home, get ready, because 2 months ago I bought the tickets to a comedy show, so now I have no choice. I have to go to this comedy show. Normally I eat oatmeal with the berries and fruits at my mornings. I love it, not because it's like healthy, I have to do this stuff, like no, I just love my oatmeals. But today it's too late for it. It's 12 o'clock already, as I told you, so I'm gonna make a smoothie, which is also really great. But before that, I like to start my morning with a cup of warm water and squeeze a lemon inside. You know how healthy it is, right? I don't think that I have to tell you about it because everybody knows it. If you don't know, so I like to add into my smoothie frozen berries, so it's cold and tastes like ice cream a little bit, but it's liquidy. Strawberries. I guess you can see that I love strawberries. And I really like to add cranberries in my smoothie because it's super healthy and delicious. Then I'm gonna add kiwi, because who doesn't love kiwi? This one I'm gonna just eat, and this one I'm gonna add to my smoothie. Some chia seeds, some goji berries that I ordered in iHerb as well. And just because I love my smoothies sweet and I didn't add any bananas, I'm gonna use this syrup. It's a low carb, sugar-free syrup. It has only 20 calories. You can use any kind of sweetener, stevia, whatever you like. I just love it. This is some Russian brand. And of course, almond milk. Look at this beauty. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Cheers. This is so delicious. Guys, now I'm on my way. I'm gonna pick up my order and I'm gonna show you my car, but please don't judge me. Look how dirty it is. So I'm gonna tell you why I didn't wash my car, guys, because as you know, the winter in Moscow, in Russia, is ridiculously cold. So if I wash my car the next day, I cannot open the doors or windows. So this is the reason. Not because I'm a messy girl. I'm really clean sick. Ask any of my friends. That's true. But since it's spring already and it's getting warm, and I'm gonna wash my car today or tomorrow, I promise you. By the way, guys, today is a palm day in Russia. I'm gonna try to find any flower store to buy palms, and then I'm gonna wash my car. So here I am. I finally found the palms. By the way, guys, I just was on petrol station now, and just in case if you want to know how much is petrol in Russia, so there is high quality petrol and low quality. I'm using high quality one and it cost me 41.5 rubles, which is $0.75 per liter, and the low quality one is 0.5 something dollars. So yeah, just a bit information. Here I am. I'm super late, but I hope they still didn't start the concert. By the way, I'll show you the place. One of the places where all the celebrities are coming for their concerts in Russia. That's the place. It calls Crocus City Hall. Last time I was here when Vanessa May was here. It was amazing. So let's...
Я лучше буду сантехником или разносчиком пиццы, чем вот это вот.
Браво! Утром ты будешь сантехником, днем ты будешь разносчиком пиццы, а вечером ты будешь чистильщиком бассейна.
So the comedy show is not over yet, but I decided to leave earlier because if I'll wait until the end, it's gonna be disaster. Thousands and thousands of people around, no taxi drivers. So now I'm drinking my cappuccino and waiting for my taxi drivers. And then I'm going home. I'm gonna edit this vlog and upload it on my channel because it's Sunday today.
I gave you the key when the door wasn't open. Just admit it. See, I gave you faith, turn your doubt into hope, and can't deny it. Now I'm all alone and my joys turn to open.
That was a really good day, very productive. Right now I'm going to make myself some tea with the milk, and I'm gonna edit this vlog. So I'm gonna wrap this vlog here. Subscribe my channel subscribe my Instagram, support my channel, and I'm gonna upload videos every single week.
Where are you now that I need ya?